Today we're focusing exclusively on the pen tool, one of Photoshop's most powerful tools for accurate selections and shapes. Select it using P. Start by clicking to place anchor points. Straight lines connect automatically. For curves, click and drag to pull out handles. These handles control curvature. Use Alt to break handle symmetry and create sharp transitions. If you place a point incorrectly, press Ctrl CMD to move it. Switch between shape and path mode, depending on whether you need a filled shape or just a path for selection. Once you complete your path, right-click and choose Make Selection to cut out anything precisely. Even hair with clean edges if you spend time refining anchor points. Pen tool mastery brings Hollywood-level cutouts and perfect shapes to your workflow.